Students, today we will discuss roadmaps. Roadmaps are the questions in which the sequence is given and by joining the sequence we have to find out the answers. So let's discuss the NCERT question that is given at the page number 362. It's a solved example of NCERT. So let's start. In question it was given that a compound having molecular formula C8H8O forms orange red precipitate with 2,4-DNP reagent. That means this compound will be aldehyde or ketone because it gives 2,4-DNP test. Then it gives yellow precipitate on heating with iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide. That means it have methyl ketone group, CH3CO group, because iodoform test was given by only methyl ketones. Next, it neither reduces Tollens or Fellings reagent. That means it gives a confirmation it is not aldehyde because aldehydes are not giving Tollens and Felling reagent test. Then on drastic oxidation with chromic acid, it will gives a carboxylic acid B having molecular formula C7H6O2. We have to identify the compound A and B and explain the reaction involved. So students, how to attempt this question? See, first of all, we collect all the data. First, a compound is given C6H8O. It gives 2,4-DNP test. Second, it will give iodoform test. It not giving the Tollens as well as Felling solution test. First we collect all the data, then we try to solve the question. Next, on drastic oxidation, it will give us acids. So let's start. And the molecular formula of acid is C7H6O2. See students, whenever the carbon is greater than 6 or 6, first of all, we assume that it's a benzene. It's a benzene and having 2,4-DNP test, that means it will have either ketonic group or either aldehyde group. But it will give, if it will give iodoform test, it will be a methyl ketonic group. It will confirmed. And Tollens reagent test is not given, but that means aldehyde nahi hai. Let's start. So try to draw a rough diagram which satisfied C8H8O. See, it's a aromatic compound benzene because we assume that it has greater number of carbon atom, and having methyl ketone like this. So we assume that our A compound is this one. Now we have to give the justification of each equations. So let's start. Take a compound. It will give you, first of all, it should give a 2,4-DNP test. So write down the structure of 2,4-DNP, which is 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. The structure of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine is like this. And 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine on aldehyde and ketone gives yellow red precipitates. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone is formed. This is 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone is formed, right students? First condition is clear. Now it should give a iodoform test. Write down the equation for iodoform test, that is CH3 C6H5 double bond O plus NaOH plus I2. As we all know, CH3 part of methyl ketone get converted into CHI3, which is pale yellow color precipitates. Rest part is changes into sodium salt of acid C6H5COO Na. So second condition is satisfied, it will give iodoform test. Next, the third condition is on reaction with aldehyde or ketone. This is the structure. It will not reduce Felling's reagent test or tolerance. So write down like this. We have to give each and every equation. No reaction because ketones do not give aldehyde. Next is our on drastic oxidation, like we can take HNO3. For the oxidation, it gives us two acids having the molecular formula C7H6O2. So benzoic acid is formed. As we all know, on drastic oxidation, ketone will give us acids. So it will satisfy the formula C7H6O2. Right, student? So आपके पास that means the given compound is our acetophenone. So answer, when we are giving the answer, this is the part of the reaction. Now the compound A is your acetophenone and compound B is your benzoic acid. In benzoic acid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons are 7. Then hydrogens are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and oxygen are O2. This condition is satisfied, and in case of your A compound, the carbons are 8, hydrogen are 8 and oxygen are single one. So this is the process how we attempt these questions.